Confused about IPTV USA channels, what you actually get, and why it sometimes does not work? You are not alone. Many viewers face these same questions. Let me break it down in the simplest way so you can watch smoothly without confusion. First, let's understand what IPTV USA channels really mean. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. It delivers TV channels through the internet, not cable or satellite. Step 1. What USA channels you get. Most IPTV services include these categories: live TV channels, ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox. Also cable channels like CNN, ESPN, HBO, and Discovery. Sports channels, ESPN, ESPN2, NFL Network, NBA TV. Sometimes regional sports networks are included. Entertainment channels, AMC, FX, TNT, USA Network, popular for movies and series. Kids and family channels, Disney Channel, Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon. Local channels, some IPTV providers include local US stations, but availability depends on the provider. Important note, not all IPTV services are legal or licensed. Always check the provider before buying. Step 2, how IPTV works. Now let's make it very simple. IPTV works using three main things. 1. IPTV provider. This is the service that gives you channels. They host the streams on their servers. 2. IPTV app or player, apps like TVMate or IPTV Smarters. These apps play the channels. 3. Internet connection. A stable internet connection is required. Minimum 20 Mbps is recommended for HD streaming. Step 3. How you access channels. There are two common methods. M3U playlist URL, a link provided by your IPTV service. You paste it into your app. Extreme Codes login, you enter username, password, and server URL. This is easier for beginners. Step 4. Why IPTV buffers or fails. This is the most common problem. From real user feedback and forums, these are the main reasons. Slow internet leads to buffering. Overloaded servers, many users at the same time. Low quality IPTV provider. Cheap services often fail. Device issues. Old Fire Stick or low storage can slow apps. Step 5. Practical tips. Always test a trial before buying. Most good providers offer 24-hour trials. Use a reliable IPTV app. TVMate and IPTV Smarters are widely recommended. Keep your Fire Stick updated. Clear cache regularly. If you are facing any issue with IPTV USA channels, write your problem in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Stay smart, stay connected. Once you understand how IPTV works, watching becomes smooth and stress-free.